Instagram might be filled to the brim with features, but it still lacks some basic functionality found on most other social apps. That includes sharing, a standard feature from apps like Twitter and Facebook that just doesn't exist on the photo sharing service. But thankfully, with the help of some third-party reposting apps, you can share to your heart's content. Avoid the lackluster offerings on both the App Store and the Play Store by sticking to our 3 top picks. Available on both Android and iOS, Repost for Instagram is our pick for the best resharing app, thanks to its clean interface and an easy-to-use share menu option. Once installed, all you have to do is copy an Instagram post's link, then launch the app. Repost takes care of the rest, displaying a list of the posts you copied the links of. From this list, you can add a post to your story, send it as a direct message, or post it straight to your feed. The app also doesn't add a watermark to your post, instead copying the original caption along with the original poster's username to your clipboard, helping you to give credit to the original post. That's our top choice for both iOS and Android users alike. But if you're on Android and you're looking for something different, both Regram and Reposter for Instagram are solid alternatives with some additional functionality. Regram offers pretty much every feature you'll ever need, providing several modes to choose from, like selection pop-up mode, quick post later mode, quick repost mode, and quick save mode. Meanwhile, Reposter for Instagram allows you to share specific photos or videos from posts with multiple selections, instead of being forced to select the first from the lot. Both apps offer premium versions that add additional features, but it isn't required for any of our selections in this video. Just pick the app that's right for you, hit share on the post you want to copy, then head over to the app and let it do the rest of the work. If you like this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering Instagram and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.